NiralOS 5G core configuration. In the configuration section, APN such as Internet or IMS can be added. Slicing. In slicing, parameters include SST and ST values. Slice type and slice differentiator can be configured. For each APN, QoS values, example 9 for Internet and 5 for IMS are assigned based on the 3GPP standard, and data parameters such as QoS can be configured. In the SIM configuration, authentication parameters such as key and OPC are configured. Once added, multiple SIMs can be provisioned either individually or in bulk, with option to add or delete entries. For each SIM, the required network slice can be selected. The parameters such as uplink, downlink, throughput, and static IP, etc. can be configured. The data wallet section provides backup configuration capabilities, where storage locations such as FTP servers can be defined. Backup can be scheduled to run automatically at specified time.